Hi, sir. I'm working in applied materials. Um, I'm a new college graduate of 2023 batch. Now I'm into application packaging team. So there we need PowerShell, like
Okay.
to remove the files or to install the files or something. We use PowerShell script, like even for I guess SCCM.
Okay.
Yeah, and there also we use PowerShell, right? For that. So we need PowerShell, so I'm learning the PowerShell script, and I have the basic coding knowledge of C, C++, and Python, and even I know PowerShell, but not longer scripts and all. And I don't know the functions and how to call the functions.
Okay.
That's it, sir.
Okay, great. So that would be great if you're already aware about the uh, programming language,
Yeah.
right? Like you already know Python, so you have already clear about the basic concept. So that would be great, and that will be help in PowerShell scripting because most of the concept would be similar, but the syntax and commands or functions will be changed here, right? And here I will try to give the training on that. You can easily create your own script with the help of PowerShell. So how you can you will be create and how I'm going to be provide the training of what will be covered in that, right? So first let me share my screen so you can see what I'm going to deliver.
Okay.
Let me try 1 minute. Just let me know if you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, it's
So basic uh, syllabus of PowerShell, what we are going to do. I think they had already shared with you, but whatever they had shared, we will cover that one. But it's my uh, basic syllabus, but all the things we will cover in this, right? So first we
okay.
have to cover the basic, like what is the PowerShell, why we need, what we can do with the help of PowerShell, and who are using in PowerShell, or what are the domain where we can use in PowerShell, right? So we will cover that one in overview, and then we will understand the CMD command, right? Command
Mm,
prompt. We
okay.
will learn here some command, right? So that is also CLI, and PowerShell is also CLI as well as a scripting language. So we will
Mm,
cover this difference, and we will cover here PowerShell core command. Here we will understand core command. There are a lot of command we will try to understand because these are the base. With the help of those command, we can create any script, right? So
okay.
what are that core command here? File related commands, right? In file
Yeah.
related commands, we will
Now I'm facing very much problem with these commands only. I'm not able to get the command what I need to use in the right time. Hello? Hello?
Just a second.
Yeah.
'Azam, we lost you. is joining back.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah, sorry. So let me share again.
Yes.
Is the screen visible?
Yeah.
So as we have told, so we will cover first ISE and then variable. So in that having a different kind of a variable like a built-in variables and local variable, global variable, what is the syntax and where we can use, what are the scope that, right? Then we
Okay.
will understand the data types conversion, right? So suppose you have a raw data like a raw number, right? That you
Mm.
want to be converted into a
String.
integer, right? Integer and string array PowerShell command object and what is the custom object. So we will
Okay.
understand that one. That is a very helpful. That will help in creating the report, custom
O-
report, right? So we will understand that one. There are different way how we can create a custom object.
Mm.
So then we will understand the basic thing that is what are the operators are available in PowerShell and what are the symbols for that, how we can use that, like there are different kind of an operator like arithmetic operator, logical operator, membership operator, right? So we will understand that one once we have finished this. So we have another that will be control statement. In every language we will see that the control statement like a if else for loop, right? So
Yes.
this thing we will understand. Once we have finished that, we have to understand the functions. So what are the function and what is the use of this function and how we
Mm.
can create. There are different kind of function, user defined and built-in function. So how we can create user defined. There are different kind of an user defined function that are advanced functions and
Mm.
basic functions, right? And there are different kind of an parameter to passing in a function, right? As a Python, we will how we can pass that parameter. There are different kind of a parameter, right? And
Yes.
right, so we will understand those parameter as well here and how we
Okay.
can pass it and
Mm.
class. But we don't we frequently use this concept in PowerShell mostly. But if
Mm.
you, I can uh, tell you about this function as well. But most of the thing that we use in a PowerShell, that is a functions, right?
Yes.
And exception handling, as you aware about the Python. So how we,
Yeah.
what is the syntax and how we can we handle the exception? What are the exceptions? And
Yes.
then we can handle, right? And what are the comments in Python? We will learn what is the syntax for that command, right? So here having a how we can comment any uh, line, right? There are different
Okay.
kind of a comment, multi-line comment, single line
Mm.
comment, and how
Mm.
we can create. So you know there are different thing in a PowerShell. If you want to be defined that, so we will use the comment for that, right? Suppose you are writing any command, so you can write why you are writing that command, and if you are defining any function, so you can define or some description about the function, and you can also give their example in a comment so
Mm.
that another person can understand easily if you have
Yeah.
write that script. And we have a the module. So we will learn that module like a post RS job, right? Excel module and
Mm.
PDF module and another module as well. We have like a post SSH. Post SSH module is used to run the Linux command on a remote machine. How we can run that command if you want to be automate the Linux machines task, so you can easily uh, automate that kind of an task, right? So with the
Yeah.
help of this module, we can understand the most of the thing that we have to be focused most of that module, so that you can do anything with the help of a module, right? And we have another thing also, remoting, right? So remoting is very useful. We will automate the multiple machines, right? So
Mm.
for that, we have to be understand the what are the protocol we will use in that remoting, how we can set up that, right? So we will understand those things in a core command. That is a command, how we can use that, right? And
Yeah.
working with WMI. So what are the WMI classes and how we can use that one? And after that, apart
Mm.
from this, we will understand the GUI, PowerShell GUI, how we can create a graphical user interface. So if you have automate any task and you want to be share that to non-technical person to automate this kind of a task, so there you will be prompt some input from for the user, right? So user
Yes.
will provide easily and give that input and they will run. There will be a action button and they can easily run that. So how we can create PowerShell object, sorry,
Mm.
PowerShell GUI. In that
Yes.
there are different kind of an operator. So we'll understand those operator one by one and what are the frequently parameters is used in that and how you can manipulate.
Mm.
So these are things that we are going to cover. Might be anything is missing, so I will cover that one also.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you have any doubt PowerShell related, so you can feel free to ask.
No, as of now. Nothing, but what are
But
your valuable times?
here I will not we cover like uh, uh, theoretical most of, right? We will cover everything
Hmm.
practical, right?
Okay.
I will tell you here only while doing practical, we will tell you the theoretical as well, but we will not be showing like theoretical, then we will go to the practical. We will cover only while doing practical. So this is the way how I'm going to be uh,
Okay.
trained.
Yes.
So if you have anything, so we can continue. And if you want to see that basic command,
Hmm.
some command here you can see discover commands. What are the discover command is like if you have a bit about some about the PowerShell, so like get help, get verb, get alias, so
Hmm.
and get member. So
Yes.
these are the discovery command. How you can discover if you do not have understand what are the command is available for this task, so you can discover command. Is there any
Okay.
command is available for my task or not? So
Hmm.
there is a discovery command. So that will be help. So first we'll understand those, and then we have a host command, process service command, get child item, items related command, right?
Okay.
Contents related command. So these are the frequently used command we have to understand. CSV related command, new object command, drive related out file, date command, select command, format command, where command, compare object, convert from one type of an object to another object.
Hmm.
So we'll understand these. So that's it. And if you have anything to understand,
No.
so
No.
yeah. Hi Ganesh. Is there anything need to be tell or
When can we have the classes in the morning? 8 to 9?
in the morning 8 to 9? Will
Oh,
it be possible to 7 to 8? Actually, I have to be go to the office, so I have to be prepared for that as well.
yeah, even I need to go, but mm, it's
Not
okay.
and evening. Is there possible to evening?
Actually, my shift is from the afternoon, but as a fresher, my manager asked me to come office daily. So
Okay.
I'm going in the morning time and I'm coming back in the afternoon time. If
Okay.
I stay there only, it goes till 11, 11:30, 12 like that. So he gave me permission to leave early in the afternoon.
Okay.
They need my attendance, so I'm going to office in the morning at around 10, 10:30 like that.
Okay, no problem. We can continue 7 to 8.
Yeah, it's okay then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So any thing that need to be clarified on PowerShell?
No, no, not like as of now, nothing. If you enter into the course, like I'll ask those. That's it.
Yeah, sure. Hi Ganesh, are you there?
Yes, yes, Aja.
Yeah. So anything that need to be.
That's it for my end. Yeah, if everything is fine, then we can start from like tomorrow itself. She's want to like start as soon as possible, actually.
Yeah.
If you
So
want to
try
start,
to schedule for 7 to 8.
yeah, sure. I'll send you the invite through Skype tomorrow because Zoom we have some restrictions, right? It will be like only 40 minutes plan and many things, and also we have to share the screen. I mean share the link every day, so we can have a classes to Skype. I'll guide you
Okay.
like how to connect and everything.
Okay.
We'll start from like tomorrow 7 a.m.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
So Pranavi, do I want to ask anything before that, or do you want to give anything like any questions or something before that?
No, like not technically, but uh, sometimes I will be traveling from Bangalore to my hometown and my hometown to Bangalore. Is there any flexibility of the classes?
You
Like
can
if I,
you can
in
let him
case
know
I'm
at
not
least.
available.
you can let him know prior so that he can plan accordingly.
Yeah, okay. Or else on that day we can take an off. That's not a problem, but I hope that.
That's what we can take off. Like you can let him know at least prior. That's what something.
Yes, okay. Yeah,
Okay then. Then see you tomorrow at 7 a.m.
yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Azam. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank
See you tomorrow.
you.
Bye.